I really hope this fits, you know. Hey, what up YouTube? It's your boy Mac the Wise Soul back with another video. I just want to go ahead, before I get into what the video is really going to be about, this is going to be kind of an introduction to what this channel is really going to be about. We're going to talk about sneakers, as you guys see behind me. We're going to definitely talk about sneakers, and that's mainly what this show is going to be all about, is sneakers. But I also have other interests. I'm going to talk about sports, basketball, football. I'm going to talk about movies. Speaking of movies, I saw 21 Bridges last night. It was pretty good. I ain't gonna hold you. It was like a good 7 out of 10. Y'all need to go check that movie out. But again, I just want to introduce myself, let y'all know, Mac the Wise Soul. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram. It's right here below. I'll put it in the description. Also remember, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Are you interested? Are you gonna be down watching the sport? Remember, you can leave comments, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't really care, interact with the channel, whatever y'all wanna do. That's what this channel's gonna be about. Again, we're gonna talk shoes, we're gonna talk mainly shoes, we're gonna talk sports, we're gonna talk movies, you know? And we're gonna get into all that. That's because that's what I am, that's what I like, that's what I do. Again, I appreciate all of you that have subscribed so far. But before I go, I got a quick little unboxing. I guess it's an unbagging. It ain't really too much. It ain't any even shoes right now. Something from Nike. So let's kind of see what we got. Hold on one second. All right, so here we go. Got something from Nike. Got a hat. Let's see what hat this is. I kind of know what hat this is already. It's I'm More Than an Athlete hat. It's that hat from Uninterrupted and LeBron James. You know, I'm more than an athlete. You know, that whole campaign. Because, you know, LeBron and a lot of these athletes now are they're more than athletes. You know, everybody's talking about shut up and dribble. I ain't really with that. If they want to speak their minds, go ahead and speak your minds. You do what makes you you. And that's something I also want to say. Rock all your shoes that you want to rock. Don't matter what nobody else says about them. If you like them, that's all that matters. If you like certain things, you rock with that. That's what you do. Mac the Wise Soul, that's what I'm saying. Anyway, let me pull this hat out of this bag real quick, and we'll get a closer look at this hat. Let's see what we got. All right, here we go. Live look at the hat. Look, like it says, I am more than an athlete. That's what the hat says. You know what? Let me just, you know, I kind of got a big old head, so, you know, let me kind of see. I really hope this fits. Let's see. I put it on, More Than an Athlete, LeBron James, Uninterrupted. That was a quick little unboxing, just a preview. I got more videos to come. We'll see what's going on this week. Next weekend, we got Bloodlines dropping, Jordan 1s. We'll talk about that in another video. Anyway, I appreciate the support. Again, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell. Leave a comment, thumbs up, whatever below. And again, follow your boy, The Wise Soul, on Instagram. It's in the description below, and it's somewhere on the screen, because that's usually where I put it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Have a good one. It's your boy, The Wise Soul. Stay wise. Yo, one more thing. I really forgot. I'm in edit mode right now, trying to edit up this video. I forgot to mention, when I hit 100 subscribers, I'll be giving away a Funko Pop. It ain't much. I'm not giving away shoes right now because I ain't really got enough people to subscribe to give away shoes, but it could be coming. But anyway, right now, I'm going to give away a Funko Pop. All you have to be is subscribe to me on YouTube and follow my Instagram channel, which again is still below. I'm giving away a Funko Pop. It might not be exactly what this one, but it's one of the Jordan Funko Pops. I got the 3, the 54, 55, and 56. I got them, all 3 of them. That's the ones I got. You can choose which one you want. Again, you got to be following me on Instagram, subscribe to YouTube, and you'll have a chance to win this as soon as your boy gets 100 subs. Let's go ahead and share that. Get them subs up. Now, enjoy your weekend.